5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. What if I told you there are 5 simple ways to make money even while you sleep? Sounds crazy, right? But in 2025, passive income is more real than ever. But first, please subscribe to the channel to receive all that is new and press the like button to support us. Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 5 passive income ideas that actually work, tested, realistic, and beginner-friendly. Affiliate marketing. You promote products online, and every time someone buys through your link, you get paid. Print on demand. Sell t-shirts or mugs with no inventory, no shipping, just your design. YouTube automation. Create faceless channels